Fucking damn right. I'm about it. Dude, I know. I gotta get it. You know? Listen, I gotta get an exhaust for it. That thing's fucking screaming, isn't it? That thing's fucking got a grip on the damn road, that's for sure. Well, it's a fucking nice setup. Well, once they paint that bitch right, I'm gonna give you some diamond plate, flat black it out. You know what I'm saying? Maggot fishing's up next. Fucking what an adventure. How about you coming outside or what? I'm gonna start right across the fucking street. Shut up. Don't fucking do me like that, dude. Ma, don't do me like that. Don't, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. The fuck out of here. Yeah, I do. Come outside. Yeah. Yeah, I will. Matter of fact, I'll meet you at the door. I'm gonna see what's up with these fucking birds. Our new fucking. No, Ma, I'm not gonna fucking with you. I'm gonna poke the nest. Ma, come on, dude. You act like I'm a fucking. Come on, dude. Well, Ma, don't. You gotta start telling me off your shit. You can't do me like that no more, dude. Fuck, man. Every time, look at him go, dude. He's popping. Look at the dog's gonna fuck him up, Ma. Ma, shut. Ma, see, look at your dog's doing more harm than I'm gonna do. The fucking dog's gotta go. She's let him go. I think. Look at him. This will be Peanut here. See what I mean? Such an angry ass dog. Angry ass people. Oh, all right. They're talking shit. They're like he comes to the human with his tail.